Okay, guys, welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community. And actually, I'm very happy to be here with you guys again. Just a quick preview with our Telegram chat that we post the setups for everybody to be able to make some money. But I will also advise you guys that watch the YouTube videos for any updates, because I see the market on Sunday or during the weekend. I'll do the forecast and I post it. On Sunday and Monday, market reaction can be pullbacks and change a bit, but the direction stays the same. So if you watch the video, you might be able to know what is the best time for you to enter the market, or if there is any change of structure, the YouTube videos will tell you. So I will advise everybody to keep watching the YouTube videos so that you can stay updated of your chart, not only based on the signals in the channel group. Okay, I will go around the channel group, and you can see that we did amazing well. I mean, all the setups that posted right. We had a little loss on dollar, but we took the short, but we closed our short early. So that is the only problem. All the rest of the chart were on point. So thank you very much for cleaning some money in the market. And I will advise you as well that join the Isaac Magic community, click on it, and then we see how we go. So this week, just stay updated on the channel. I'm going to post the forum for people to log in to register, and everything will be done perfect. If you look at our setups here, we go before, you can see the pound card, and the pound card is still running. That we close our trade. We got the GB pizza. It's like magic. It's doing very amazing. And anything else, these are the key trade. Aussie, Euro, New Zealand. I posted this on the weekend, but if you look at yesterday, I updated the channel for the downside, a short-term sell, and it's been very, very amazing. It's doing exactly what we planned that it's doing here. Here is it. When the market opened last night, we went for downside. So we have cleaned almost 100 pips, 200 pips before the morning. So stay up. This is the importance of you watching the YouTube video so that you will know, should I close the trade or should it? As far as you are not used to trading my style, it will be very helpful to you. Okay, so now we're gonna start today about Aussie CAD. And if you look at the Aussie CAD in the daily time frame, we are heading back to south. So this is the magic 50, and I'm expecting market to run down. So Aussie CAD, we are selling Aussie CAD for this pip. If we are wrong, we are going to clean 50% of this move. Okay, lower time frame. Yes, it's looking down. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to wait for this one to break this low. Let's break this low. Let the market break this low, retest it, and we come down. So we are selling. It's a sell. So guys, those who are in it, hold your sell. You can hold it down and then let it keep riding down. We are looking for this sell already anyway. It's how many? It's very, very massive pips that we are looking to. This is our target. Okay, this is our target. If we break this level, if the market stay here for some time, that means market will move back up. If it break through this line, we are heading down here. So keep a close eye on this. This is a very good setup. Aussie CAD, Aussie Chief as well. We are looking for downside. You can see the pencil mark. We are already below the magic 50. So any pullback here is going to make a pullback. We are selling. Okay, wait for pullback to come here and you sell. So wait for this to make a little bit correction and we are selling. So keep a close eye on it. Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, I posted a long 50-minute setup, but structure is kind of not stable. So this chart will not be valid until we see a clear indication. Okay, we look at here and we look at here. We are lucky to hit down here, which is going to take us our stop loss before it resides up and drop. So I would suggest we come out from the trade. We are not even in at the moment. I was just waiting for this to do what he's doing. So let's wait for this. This is not stable. If you look at that, this is when we say that man in control of the market. If you look at here, when you start seeing things like this, when you start seeing this kind of information, this kind of candles, that tells you that this time it is not machine, it is man who is controlling the market. So I don't want to say it's manipulation, but market is not doing exactly, it's just full of spikes. So that means someone is behind the box. This might end up by dropping down here, between here first. So we can start looking for a little bit, a short term down, and tomorrow we can get our buy, possibly. So keep a close eye here. Keep a close eye here. I'll update it on the Telegram channel for everybody, those who are in this trade. I'll update it in this channel. Okay, this is a short-term downside. Let me see. I will try to update it quickly so that people don't get a bit confused. So change of structure, possibly. Okay, possibly this side. Okay, so I will go to the Telegram channel and I'll remove this one. Delete. Yeah, and I'll update it later. Okay. Aussie New Zealand, we are looking for downside. We started selling from here. You can see the Aussie New Zealand. We started selling from. We took this buy, we sold it. I closed my trade from somewhere here. I was taking a sell from here, so we are heading down. Get this pullback and let's sell. So keep a close eye for your downside. It's very, very, very important sell. Aussie dollar as well, the same. We are looking for sell. So any sell opportunity that you are going to go for it. We sell. Okay. CAD shift. A short-term buy here. A short-term buy here. When you reach here, we will see the reaction of today. Okay. A short-term buy here. I don't want to put too much long and short information on my charts. You can look for this buy. CAD Yen. Let me look at the daily. Yeah, CAD Yen might be heading up because we have hit down the bouncer. So we're gonna go back to the top. And as far as we are getting this information, keep your eyes for the buy. So CAD Yen might be heading up. CAD Yen is a buy now. Those who trade trend line, you can put your trend line here for breaker. Okay. That's for those who trade trend line. Your stop loss stays below this line and you are okay. All right. So, but in the long term, personally speaking, let this finish what he's doing here. Let this finish what he's doing here. We might have one more downside. Yeah, let's go for this buy because it's a good buy. It's a kind of nice clean pips. Very clean setups here. Over 137 pips. That's calm. So we can eat this today. I'll take this trade and post it in the channel for you guys as a replacement for the Aussie Yen. Yeah, very small risk. Okay. Check later. You can also try to get your bias. This is the important of you understanding where paste, and then I will forward it to the block traders. Okay, not yet. Anyway, I'll do that. So, Chief Yen it's not giving us no decision. We are still below the Isaac 50. So we have to wait. Chief Yen, and when it's like this, it seems like both of them are not, they are not strong enough. Both pairs are on uniform. So we can wait for this to make a final decision. If you break my 50, we are going, if you break down, we are heading back down to this level. If you break, we don't break, we make a correction here, we'll be heading to the top. So this, like I said, that some pairs have not been on point because today is Monday. So I personally don't trade on Mondays. I wait for Tuesday market to be stable. Okay, so let's look at what happened here. I'll update you in the chat. Euro Oz, we are looking for the buy. So you can start looking for your buys from here, Euro Oz. Okay, yeah, start looking for your buys here. Euro Oz is a buy. Euro CAD, we are heading down. We are heading down. So wait until we break this low, we retest it, we go for it. Right now, it's very slow. You see from here, market is ranging. This is the way we call it. Market is in a bracket. Okay, market is in a bracket. It's not going anywhere for the past 2 months, maybe. Because if you look at here, it's just making some spikes. And I'm not going to advise you to trade it. It's not the best trade. Yeah, Euro, Chief, we can look for the buy as well. All of them may be in correction mode, so don't waste time there. We are heading down. The downside that we are looking for the pound, or euro pound. The downside that, because I took the buy here and we closed it here because we didn't pay too much attention. We missed this one. Okay, so we're looking for a sell from here and we missed it. We missed this buy, but we had all this buy. So what am I saying? This sell is coming. The sell that we're looking here is coming. Here is it. So we can go to lower time frame and look for this sell opportunity. Yeah, we'll be looking for this sell opportunity. So we wait for today market to close, and we can, and it to give us an idea where the market is going to go. He's gonna do this and drop to give you head and shoulder. Fine. Wherever he'll do, price will tell us here. So I'm looking for downside from this one because I started looking for the, you can see that I had the arrow here and it went extra. We had the buy, but we didn't get all this buy. So I'll pin this up. So look for how much pips you are looking to clean. Keep a close eye on it. It's very good. I'll update the chart for you tomorrow, probably. Euro USD, we had the sell as well. Very good sell. Right now, market is not giving me my information that I'm looking for. Market is not giving me, but it's, for me now, it looks more for buy. It looks more upside now. It looks more upside now. So it looks more upside now. So you're gonna look for a short-term buy. Okay, let this do his buying. It's gonna go up. So you can look for this trade. Buy it. 15 minutes time frame. We finished the sell. Okay, so I'll remove this guy. Right now, you'll be looking for the upside to take this out. Okay, take this out. This is what you are looking for. Take this trade out, close your trade, and we wait for what happened here. Pound dollar. Okay, I'm looking for pullback to this level. So you can go for your buy. We posted this in the channel already this month, last night. Those who are not in the channel, look for it. We have this buy. Clean this buy, and then we look for the next step. Euro Yen. Euro Yen has been also in the range. It's been standing here for a while. So today, Euro Yen will tell us what is going to happen. Let's wait for today to close. Okay, let's wait for today to close. If you look at here, you have taken the low, clean lows, you have taken it. Clean tops, you have taken it. Okay, so whatever happened here today will tell us if we are in value area or we are in different speed. We're going to talk about it this week. I will try my best to update this chart. Some charts are not clear, so we just need to make sure we have a clean setup before we throw our money in. We had the sell setup last night about the Euro New Zealand. Yeah, my TP is here. So let's look at what is going to happen. Put it into break even, let it run. Can it come down here? Yes, it can, because today is Monday. So we can clean this before we start looking for the buy. Okay, so let's keep a close eye on it. Yeah, if you look at the Telegram, we had the sell. Yes, I posted it yesterday for people to take. So those who took it, they are below somewhere here. How many pips they have cleaned? Let me see. They have about maybe 200 pips already from last night. We've cleaned 100 pips. Wow, 109. At least it's better. I mean, you're down for the week. All you need is 10 pips, right? So we are done. Pound Oz is dropping. We are in the downside. Okay, we are trending back to downside. So let's wait for this to make a correction today. We will see what happened today. After today's close, it will define the structure for us. All the pound pairs has reached the extreme lows, extreme double bottoms, almost there. So keep a close eye on it. Keep a close eye on it. We are heading. We might end up by changing. So let's look at it very close today and tomorrow. Okay, don't take this trade yet. I will update it in the chat. We had a sell and we are all happy because we had a great sell. We literally cleaned this market very nice. We cleaned it very, very, very nice. We cleaned this market very nice, very, very, very nice. From the top of the eye, we start selling from here. We start selling from here. How many pips did we clean? We cleaned a very great pips, 590 pips. So we have to wait. Let this finish what he's doing and then we will carry on. Okay? Don't do nothing with the pound pay. I'm going to end up tomorrow. Bye, guys. This don't do nothing. We're going to update it tomorrow because it has reached a little extreme level now. So we need to just keep a close eye on it. Pound chief, we finished our sell. We had the same sell here. We finish it. We are in extreme. So we need to wait and see what is happening here. Otherwise, you'll be in zeta. Do nothing with the pound trades. Do nothing with the pound trade. Pay close attention to it because it might end up by changing. Which one? Pound ZAR. That was one of our best trade. We started selling the ZAR from the top. So what do we do now? We are looking, like I said, we are looking at the market reaction today because today is Monday. Not every country is on Monday now. Some people are still Sunday night. So we need to wait for New York to open. They will drive the market to the direction we are looking for. So we need to wait and see how markets will be. New Zealand, yeah, we are here looking for the buy. So New Zealand CAD, go for the buy. You can see the drawing there. Look for your buy setup. 1 hour time frame. Okay. Yeah, we are heading to the top now. So look for your buy. It's going a little pullback. We are not breaking these lows anymore. So any pullback is gonna do. Look for your buy. New Zealand chief. We had a sell, but I'm out of it because it is not giving me my structure. So let's look at what it's doing now in the daily time frame. Let me clean up everything. Oh, the buy has started. The buy has started. Okay, we were looking for this buy anyway. So now what do? We got the previous day low, previous day high. Okay, in the weekly top. So you're gonna be heading to the buy now. Start looking for your buyers on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, the buy have started. Yeah, the buyers have started. So a little pullback, you go for your buy. Pull back here, we are buying to take this top. Our first target is here. Our first target is here. Okay. You can see that we came back and bounced here. And then we are going. Those who trade trend lines, you can use this one as a breaker. Okay. So look for your buyers. Aussie, New Zealand dollar is going to be ranging a bit. Don't do nothing to this trade. Do nothing. Yeah. New Zealand dollar might be heading up today a bit to take the top, this top, to take this top. Okay. You'll be heading up to take this top. So look for a short-term buy. And then when you close your trade, you'll be looking at the next step. Okay, so get some pullback here. And then strike it up. New Zealand Yen, the same, look for the buy. New Zealand Yen, look for the buy. All of them, you can see from here that we're looking for the downside to finish here. It came down here. Now we are in the buy. So this one is the ABC. This is your impulse. We go like that and we are heading up. When you break this price, the upside have started. So keep a close eye here. Okay, so I'll stop forecasting down there. I don't want to go with gold and silver, but this week I'll try to make another webinar for you guys. And if you like the video in my YouTube, share it with your friends, subscribe it, and then we see. But the Magic Group have posted very interesting setups. So look at them and make some money that you want. Take everybody and enjoy your video. Actually, I will post the channel for the Isaac Magic community. It will be posted today for people to register through. So if you are interested in the mentorship of the Isaac Magic, yesterday webinar was Q&A was very amazing. I exposed to them a set information in the market where nobody has exposed to them before. So I did that for purposely to show them that there's more to learn than just trading. So you are all welcome